In this video, I'll share simple, easy, and powerful ways to avoid negative people and protect your happiness. And trust me, if you follow these tips, you will feel lighter, happier, and full of energy. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to avoid negative people. Life is like a garden. If you want beautiful flowers, you must remove the weeds. Negative people are like weeds. They stop us from growing, from smiling, and from reaching our dreams. But if we learn how to handle them, our life becomes peaceful and full of joy. So, let's start learning step by step. First, let's understand, who are negative people? Negative people are those who always complain about everything, never see the good side of life, blame others instead of taking responsibility, spread gossip, lies, or hate, make you feel small, weak, or unimportant. For example, imagine you are happy because you got good marks in school. You go and tell your friend. Instead of being happy for you, the friend says, it's not a big deal. Anyone can do it. This is negativity. Or maybe you share your dream. I want to be a doctor. And someone says, no, you can't. You're not smart enough. This is also negativity. Now you see, negative people are everywhere. But don't worry, we can deal with them smartly. Friends, imagine your mind is like a clean white shirt. If you keep standing near people throwing mud, your shirt will become dirty. The same happens with our heart and mind. If we spend too much time with negative people, we start thinking like them. We lose our confidence. We stop believing in ourselves. We feel tired and sad all the time. That's why avoiding negative people is not selfish. It is self-care. It is protecting your mind, your dreams, and your happiness. First, look at the people around you: friends, classmates, relatives, even online followers. Ask yourself, do they support me? Do they inspire me? Do I feel happy after talking to them? If the answer is yes, they are positive. If the answer is no, and they always make you feel down, then you must be careful. Knowing who is positive and who is negative is the first step. You cannot always run away from negative people. Sometimes they are in our family or school, but you can limit your time with them. If you usually talk to a negative classmate for 1 hour, reduce it to 10 minutes. If a relative always complains, keep the conversation short. The less time you give, the less negativity you receive. Negative people love arguments. They want to prove that the world is bad, life is hard, and nothing is possible. If you argue, you waste your energy. Instead of arguing, just smile and say, okay, I understand. Then walk away. Save your energy for better things. Never share your dreams and goals with negative people.
Negative people love arguments. They want to prove that the world is bad, life is hard, and nothing is possible. If you argue, you waste your energy. Instead of arguing, just smile and say, okay, I understand. Then walk away. Save your energy for better things. Protect your dreams. Never share your dreams and goals with negative people. They will only laugh at you or say you can't do it. If you want to be an artist, share it with people who love art, not with those who only criticize. Remember, your dream is like a small plant. Protect it from storms of negativity. Stay busy with positivity. When your mind is busy with good things, you don't have space for negative people. Read good books, listen to inspiring talks, spend time with kind friends, and do activities you love.
The more you fill your life with positivity, the less negativity can enter. Set clear boundaries. Boundaries mean limits. It is like saying, "This is my personal space. Please don't cross it." For example, if someone always criticizes you, say politely, "I don't like this kind of talk. Please stop." If a person keeps gossiping, say, "I don't enjoy gossip. Let's talk about something else." Boundaries protect your peace. Surround yourself with positive people. This is the best medicine. When you stay with kind, happy, and supportive people, you feel motivated. Find friends who celebrate your success. Spend time with people who smile often. Follow positive creators online. Fill your circle with sunshine, not with darkness. Be strong inside. Sometimes you cannot avoid negative people completely, but you can train your mind to stay strong. Think like this: their words are just noise. I will not let it enter my heart. Just like an umbrella protects you from rain, a strong mind protects you from negativity. Choose silence over drama. If someone tries to pull you into drama, fights, or gossip, choose silence. You don't always need to answer. Silence is powerful. Negative people hate silence because they lose control when you don't react. Focus on gratitude. Every day, write down 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe it's your family, your health, your friends, or even a small success. Gratitude makes your heart full of light. When your heart is full of light, negativity cannot stay for long. Real-life example, storytelling. Let me share a small story. There was a boy named Arjun. He loved to draw, but his classmates always said, "Drawing is useless. You will never earn money from this." Arjun felt sad. One day, he decided to avoid these negative classmates. He started spending more time with a kind teacher who encouraged him. He also joined an art club where everyone supported each other. Slowly, Arjun became confident. Today, Arjun is a professional artist, and people admire his work. The lesson is simple. If Arjun had listened to the negative voices, he would have killed his dream. But because he avoided negativity, he grew into something beautiful. Part 5. Special tip for social media. Friends, remember, negativity is not only in real life, it is also online. Some people write mean comments, spread hate, or compare lives. Here's what you can do. Don't reply to hate comments. Just ignore or block. Follow positive pages. Use social media to learn and grow, not to fight or compare. Final golden rules. Let's quickly remember the golden rules. 1. Identify negative people. 2. Spend less time with them. 3. Don't argue. Protect your dreams. 5. Stay busy with positivity. 6. Set boundaries. Choose positive friends. 8. Be strong inside. 9. Use silence as power. 10. Practice gratitude. My friends, life is too short to waste on negative people. Your time, your energy, and your happiness are precious. Remember, you cannot change everyone, but you can change how you react. Choose wisely, protect your peace, and surround yourself with people who bring out the best in you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, let's build a positive and happy life. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay positive, stay strong, and stay happy.